Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Dell Inspiron 3501. Now this laptop came with a laptop bag. So let's take a quick look at it. I'm going to open the packaging. And this laptop bag is the same one that came with my other Dell Inspiron. The Dell Essential Briefcase 15 inches. So as you can see, here's the laptop bag. We have a compartment over here. You can put your mouse or other accessories like an external hard drive. Then, this is pocket here for the laptop. Okay, so let's set the bag aside. Now it's time to unbox the laptop. So I have my unboxing knife over here, or more of like a multi-tool. So we can open this. Now I'm really excited to see this computer since it's an affordable laptop with an 11th generation Intel Core i3. And it's really nice to see the latest processors coming to the lower end series, such as the Intel i3. So let's open this. I'm gonna cut it some more. I think this laptop is designed for students or office workers. It's not gonna be really powerful like my other Inspiron for video editing or gaming, but at least it's powerful enough to run a lot of basic tasks. And it also has an SSD, so it should be really fast at loading programs. Okay, let's open the box. There we go. Wow, this is actually pretty large. So we're gonna set it aside like this, maybe like that, and pull it out. Here's some of the shipping material. Here's the laptop. Another manual. And a charger. So just like my other Inspiron, the charger comes in two pieces. Here are the manuals. Inspiron 15 3000 series. Safety and regulatory information. And of course, the laptop. Wow. It actually feels really nice in the hand. As you can see, the plastic is kind of textured, which adds some grip. It's really light. On this side, we have a variety of ports. There's the power plug, the HDMI port, Ethernet, USB Type A, a headphone jack. And on the other side, we have an SD card, USB, and a lock, so you can lock it in your office. Hopefully the camera can pick it up since it's actually a really dark color. At the bottom, we have the air vent, Inspiron. Here's another part of the air vent, which should blow the air outward. Okay. So I'm gonna assemble the charger. Here's one piece. Wow, that's really thick plastic. Okay, this is the part that plugs into the outlet. And this is the part that plugs into the laptop. So it's a bit smaller than my other Inspiron, and that's probably because this has a lower powered processor, so it doesn't consume as much energy. So I'm gonna plug it in, although I'm gonna see if it has battery. Okay, get rid of this plastic, and now it's time to open the laptop. Okay, make sure it doesn't hit anything. Wow. So, Dell Inspiron 15 3000. Here's some of the main features if you want to take a look. In-home support services and the Intel Core i3 11th generation. Power button. Did it turn on? Nope. So I'm actually just gonna get the charger and plug it in. I already have a Dell charger over here. Okay, let's see. Dell. Alright, I'm gonna wait for it to turn on. So this is what it looks like next to my other Dell Inspiron. So my Dell Inspiron over here is for video editing, so it's a higher end model, but it's the same screen size, so they're both 15.6 inches. And as you can see, this one is a bit taller since there's a bit more bezel to the screen compared to this one. But overall, I like both of them, and they're really similar since they're part of the same series. For example, the keyboard layout, they both have number pads over here, and the trackpads are large. So that's really good to see on a laptop. Okay, so I just completed the setup process. Alright, we're in. So let's watch a YouTube video. So I want to hear the speaker quality and see the display quality. That's a quick test. And if you want to learn more about this laptop, stay tuned for my full review coming up in the future. So now I'm gonna play one of my videos so I can see the screen and speaker quality. Wow, I really love Dell screens. Since I started using Dell laptops, I actually noticed that the screens are really good. They have these anti-glare panels, and as of now, there are so many lights in my studio. There are desk lamps on either side, and it doesn't reflect. Let me remove my phone from the tripod so I can show you the viewing angles. If you're watching from the side like that, you can still see clearly. Wow. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful. Stay tuned for my full review. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe for more and help support my channel. So, thanks for watching.